Hi everyone. Today our topic about similar triangles. What is mean by similar? Generally, we are saying that this boy is look like Chiranjeevi. This boy is look like Virat Kohli. Similar means like. Okay. Now polygon. What is mean by polygon? A closed shape which bounded by straight lines, that is called polygon. Geometrical shape, it's not open, compulsory it's closed, that is called polygon. A regular polygon, a polygon which all sides and angles are equal is called a regular polygon. Difference between polygon and regular polygon: in polygon all sides are straight lines and they are not open, closed figure. In regular polygon all sides are equal, all angles are equal, but here condition is only closed figure. Here closed figure and all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Now similar figures. In polygon, a polygon which bounded by 3 line segments is called triangle, 4 line segments quadrilateral, 5 line segments pentagon, 6 line segments hexagon, 7 line segments septagon, 8 line segments octagon, 9 line segments nonagon, 10 line segments decagon, like that. Similar figures. The geometrical figures which have the same shape but are not necessarily of the same size are called similar figures. Similar figures means a shape having same shape but not necessarily to have same size, that is called similar figures. If any figure having same shape and same size, that is called congruent figures. Only shape is same but size is same or different, that is called similar figures. Okay. Now scale factor. Scale factor means, see here 5 by 7, I taken one example. If you multiply this 5 by 7 with a specific number 3, numerator and denominator, 5 3s are 15, 5 7 3s are 21. For this fraction, scale factor is 3. When we observe any map, there is a scale, generally 1 kilometer, but in that map 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter, that is called a scale factor. Now basic proportionality theorem. Another name for basic proportionality theorem is Thales theorem. What is a basic proportionality theorem? Look, this is a triangle. This one also a triangle. This one also a triangle. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. If you draw a parallel line to any side of the triangle, here I am taking BC. If you draw a parallel line to BC, this parallel line intersect at different 2 points. Then this line segment divided to remaining these 2 sides are in the same ratio, AB by ABC DE. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Understood? Same. If I draw a parallel line to AB, these are parallel line to AB. Same. AD by DC is equal to BE by EC. When you draw a parallel line to AC, AD by DB is equal to BE by EC. That is basic proportionality theorem. Okay, its converse. If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, for example, any line divides the two sides in the same ratio, that line is parallel to one of the side of a triangle. That is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Then next, similarity of triangles. How we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other? There are some properties, among them AAA criterion. Means in first triangle as well as second triangle, corresponding angles are equal. Left side left angle, base side left angle, 45 degrees 45 degrees, like corresponding angles are equal. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. That one property. Another one is, if you take any triangle, two angles are equal. Suppose A, B, C, P, Q, R. A is equal to P, B is equal to Q. Then automatically C is equal to R. By the using of angle sum property of triangle. Sum of two angles are same, then automatically third angle also same. No SSS criterion. In first triangle, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, then PQ also 4 centimeter, BC 5, QR 5, AC 6, PR 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. One side, another side, another side, another side, another side. Same means these two are congruent to each other. Okay, that is congruency. But here similarity means the numbers are different but their value is same. Means this side are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. SAS criterion means side, angle, side. Any one of the angle is equal in both triangles and remaining two sides are in the same ratio. Okay. Now, property about area. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. If area of this triangle is 15, there are two triangles. Suppose 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For example, this triangle area is X, this triangle area is Y, is equal to area of triangle, first triangle by area of second triangle. Means ratio of these two areas is equal to square of corresponding sides ratio. Means 3 square by 4 square, or 4 square by 5 square, or 5 square by 3 square, or 3 square by 5 square, like that. Area of first triangle by area of second triangle is equal to square of any one side, same corresponding side square is equal. This property. Okay. Now, next, Pythagoras theorem. Another name for Pythagoras theorem is Bodhian theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base side square plus perpendicular side square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Next, if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right triangle on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and also to each other. For example, in a right angle triangle, from the right angle to opposite side, means on hypotenuse, you draw one perpendicular line. This divided perpendicular line divided into these two triangles as similar to each other. I written here triangle ABC, this biggest triangle, is similar to ADB as well as similar to CDB, as well as these two triangles also similar to each other, that property. Now in a triangle, square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. This is reverse of Pythagoras theorem. Here what we learn, AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to base side square plus perpendicular square, we learn there. But here in a triangle, square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Then the first side opposite angle is 90 degrees. These all properties are located in what we have discussed. Thank you. You read and learn what explanation part given in the textbook, then you will understand better. Thank you. Have a nice day.